Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video here at AutoNanVlogs. And I happened to find this M2 white on black, and it has a lot of carbon fiber on it. So I mean, just look at the little details on the BMW emblem. The lights are looking nice and sharp. Okay. Yes sir. And then the mirrors right here. The lines on this car are just crazy. You know, BMW, like they have some pretty good detail work on their cars. They just look premium for sure. Even though they say, like, you know, a lot of these BMWs don't last long and if you dog them and this and that, but yeah, I mean they do have really good detail on it though. Like, look at that back end right there. It's got dual right there, exhaust right there, and it got another dual over there for the quad. Nasty. Just look at it. This thing is nasty. Got the, what is that, black carbon fiber spoiler. Oh yeah, that thing is nice. And it's sharp. You know, it really looks good with the white. I really do mess with it. I've seen some, I think I saw a blue one, and the blue one looked crazy too. But let's go ahead and look at this interior real quick, just so you guys can see a little glimpse of this M2. I believe this is a 2024. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's a 2024, but you can see the long screen right there with the detail everywhere. We got the red and the blue right there on the seats, stitched carbon fiber like I said, and then the red paddle shifters. Thing is just nice. Like, look at this thing. See if I can get a wider view. I'm still trying to figure out which camera lens I like best. I feel like if I just do like a normal, you can kind of see like a little bit more in detail, but if I use that wide, I feel like it picks up more of the car. And on the next video, I'll be doing an entire video on just the wide, because I think it just looks a little better. I mean, no, it doesn't look better, but it just has more of like more video, more depth. And I ain't even gonna talk right now. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. It doesn't have like crazy like notes on it, but you know, it does sound pretty decent. Look at that screen. It's crazy. Like, damn. Like, I wish I could just go and just go and buy cars, like, you know. But that's what we're doing this YouTube channel thing for. So, you know, maybe you guys, before I get back to it, let me just show you guys so you can hear it. So, you know, it doesn't sound too bad. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for all the support. I have been noticing that my views are going up, and that's because of you guys for staying and watching. If you can, just please drop a like and leave a comment. That would really help my YouTube channel grow a little bit better. But thanks for watching and for all the support, like I said. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay, peace.